What's up guys, it's me again, and I'm going to show you how to paracord an iPhone power cord. Alright, what you need is your iPhone thing, paracord, knife, wire. Alright, you want to cut your paracord, fold it in half, so it's just as long as the iPhone cord itself. Right, and put it underneath, so it's like that. Alright, now get a long piece of paracord, and put it on top. Alright, put the right side, make a C, and then tuck underneath, pour it through, and pull. Right. So now you just repeat. Make the C, put it underneath, go through the C, pull, and pull tightly. Make a C, go underneath this whole thing, go through the C, pull. I'm going to do one more time and zoom in on it. So far it should be looking like this. Now I'm going to speed up the video and make it look like this. Now this is it done. Yeah, to make it more durable, you can carry it better. And you won't mistake it for being someone else's anymore. If that happens to you, it'll be yours and no one can say it's theirs or anything like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you.